What's the meaning of ChildLine? ChildLine. ChildLine.
ChildLine. ChildLine. ChildLine is a UK-based helpline service provided by the National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children, NSPCC, which aims to provide emotional support and guidance to children and young people on issues such as abuse, neglect, bullying, and mental health. It was launched in 1986, and since then has helped millions of children in the UK through its confidential and free 24-hour telephone and online services. ChildLine operates with the help of trained volunteers and staff, and its ultimate goal is to ensure that every child has a safe and happy childhood.